Hey there, future affiliate marketing superstar. Did you know Pinterest isn't just for DIY hacks and dream vacations? It's a goldmine for affiliate marketing. With over 450 million users scrolling, pinning, and shopping, this platform is ready to boost your earnings, if you know how to work it. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Why? Because I'm about to show you how to turn your Pinterest boards into profit machines. And trust me, you don't want to miss out. Smart tips and tricks. Before we dive into the steps, here's a quick dose of brilliance to get you ahead. Batch create pins. Instead of creating pins one at a time, make a bunch in one go using Canva. It saves time and keeps your content looking cohesive. 2. Leverage trends. Pinterest is all about what's trending. Use Pinterest Trends, it's free, to find popular topics and align your pins with what people are searching for right now. 3. Repurpose old content. Got an old blog post or YouTube video? Create fresh pins linking to that content. It's like recycling but for clicks and cash. 4. Use group boards. Join group boards in your niche to reach a wider audience. Just make sure they're active and relevant. Don't waste time on ghost town boards. 5. A/B test your pins. Experiment with different designs, colors, and descriptions to see what works best. Small tweaks can lead to big results. These tricks will not only make your life easier, but also set you up for maximum success on Pinterest. Now, let's get into the meat of the strategy. Why Pinterest for affiliate marketing? First, let's talk numbers. Pinterest users are planners and buyers. 85% of them turn to Pinterest when starting a project, and over 40% make purchases directly from pins. It's like having a giant audience that's already in shopping mode. Perfect for affiliate marketing, right? And here's the best part. Pinterest is evergreen. Unlike Instagram or TikTok, your pins can generate clicks for weeks, months, or even years. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Step 1. Choose your niche. Before you start pinning like crazy, pick a niche. What are you passionate about? Fitness gear? Home decor? Gadgets? Stick to a specific topic that you love, and that has products people actually want to buy. Remember, a focused Pinterest board is a successful Pinterest board. Nobody wants to scroll through yoga mats and waffle makers on the same board, unless you've invented a yoga waffle hybrid, in which case, call me. Step 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. Next, join affiliate programs. Some popular options include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Commission Junction. If you already use products you love, check if those companies have affiliate programs. Pro tip, avoid spamming random links. People smell desperation from a mile away. Be genuine and share products you actually believe in. Step 3. Create click-worthy pins. Here's where the magic happens. Use tools like Canva to design eye-catching pins that make people stop scrolling and click. Think bold colors, clear text, and stunning images. For example, top 10 gadgets every traveler needs, 5 must-have kitchen tools for foodies. And don't forget to include your affiliate link in the pin's description. Make it clickable, engaging, and above all, useful. Step 4. SEO is your BFF. Pinterest is basically a visual search engine, so treat it like one. Use keywords in your pin titles, descriptions, and board names to help people find your content. If you're promoting workout gear, use keywords like best fitness equipment, home gym must-haves, or workout gear under $50. The more specific you get, the better. Step 5. Stay consistent. Affiliate marketing isn't a pin-it-and-forget-it game. Schedule your pins using tools like Tailwind to keep your content fresh and in front of your audience. Consistency builds trust, and trust leads to clicks and commissions. Bonus tips. Track your performance. Use Pinterest Analytics to see which pins are driving traffic and tweak your strategy accordingly. Disclose your affiliate links. It's not just ethical, it's required. Add a simple disclaimer like, this post contains affiliate links to stay in the clear. And there you have it. Pinterest plus affiliate marketing il cha-ching. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned marketer, this platform can take your affiliate game to the next level. Now, before you go pinning your heart out, make sure you subscribe for more tips on making money smarter, not harder. Hit that like button and let me know in the comments what niche you're diving into. Happy pinning, and here's to your affiliate success.